A very good morning to all of you, dear students of class 10th. This is the new week's social science 2 class for the upcoming week, and the chapter is development. So before beginning with the chapter, children, let us exactly know what is the objective of studying this chapter. As we all know, economics is always talking about trade, commerce, money affairs, monetary issues. All these things are compiled together: production, trade, development. So production and trade we have been referring to from class 9. If you trace the beginning of the economics of chapter 1, it was the story of village Palampur, where we discussed the production and the factors which are related to production. Then we discuss further aspects of economics. Now coming to class 10th, the key essence of economics lies in this chapter, which says development. Now children, let us know what the chapter has to actually talk about development. Children, if you go and ask a person in your house, anyone, uncle, aunt, or dadaji or dadi, that what is your idea of development? For everybody, children, development simply means the rise or a shift in the graph towards development, towards rise, towards progress. So if you ask a person who is not earning much, a beggar on the street, if you ask what is development for you, you are surely going to get an answer that for me I should get minimum amount of money so that I can earn my livelihood. So development differs for everybody in this world, children. The idea of development or the progress has always been with us, children. We have aspirations or desires of what we would like to do and how we would like to live our life lies with this key role of development, children. Now if we talk about development, it differs from person to person. Development is different from people to people. For me, development is different. For you, development is different. Even all the students of same section, development is different. Maybe a child who is getting highest marks will be desiring for to top in all the sections, whereas a person of same class who is just getting passing marks may be desiring to get good marks so that he should not lie on the margins. So development always differs from person to person. Let us see some general categories, children, to see what their idea, what their notion of development is. For example, a landless labor, a landless rural labor. Landless, since the person is landless, what idea of development he must be having? He should be having more days of work and better wages. Since the land is not his own land, he is working on somebody else's land. So what he would wish for, that he should get more number of days of work, so that he should be called for more number of days. And if he'll be working for more number of days, then he will be getting better wages. So his idea of development is more number of days of work and better wages. Now let us take another category, which is a prosperous farmer. As the name indicates, prosperous farmer, children, farmer who is having sumptuous amount of agricultural equipment. So what is his idea of development, children? He can think assured high family income through higher support prices for their crops. Means he is flourishing well in his field of agriculture. But what is his idea of development? His idea of development is, children, that he should get higher prices again. Whatever he is growing on his field, children, he should get higher prices for that, for those crops which he is growing. Now you can ask the same question to everybody in your house, and children, make sure of this, no answer is wrong. In this case, children, had it been if it was a class where I was interacting with you, I would have definitely asked everybody what is your idea of development. And yes, be assured of, children, no answer is wrong in this. Anybody anybody who desires of his level of development is his idea of development. मेरे लिए जो मेरे लिए अच्छा है, that will be my idea of development. All right, children. So let us take another example, which is a girl from rich urban family. Rich urban family, not living in rural areas, urban areas. So what her idea of development must be? She's getting good amount of living and every day's essential things. But what she desires for? She desires for freedom, as her brother is getting. So her idea of development is as much as freedom as her brother is getting. So she wants to be independent. She wants to decide her decisions on her own. So she wants freedom like her brother is getting, children. Now, after knowing all these different ideas of development, children, we have been assured of that every person in this world has a set of different ideas for development. So different peoples can have different developmental goals. Different people in the world have different developmental goals. What may be development for one may not be development for other. What development is for me may not be development for you, children. So development is different for everyone out in the world. So it is even on a small level also different. So it can be destructive also. You see, those terrorist activities, they have different mind of set. If you ask them what development is, their developmental goal may be destruction for humanity, destruction of mankind. So development has a different set of notion for different people in the world. Now, children, knowing all this, a question arises: do all of these people have same notion of development or progress? Certainly you all have answered no. Correct. The answer is no. Not all people have same notion of development. So we have got to know that different people can have different developmental goals, number 2, and maybe the development for one can be destructive for someone else. Maybe development for one is not development for others. So by now we have studied these two things, that development is different for different people and development for one may not be development for other, children. Now, besides seeking more income, children, major income, getting more income is the basic major developmental goal. Now, apart from all this, what other developmental goals can we think of? Let us discuss. For example, that rich urban family was wanting freedom. Same thing, equal treatment, freedom, security, respect, love, affection, isn't it? There should be no racial discrimination, isn't it? So all these are developmental goals, children. In some cases, there may be more important than income, because material goods are not all you want to live. You have lot of money, children, but you don't get that respect, you don't get that love. Will it be a developmental goal for you? No. You have to live with that pride and honor. So developmental goals are different. Now, money or material factors we can buy, but there are factors on which our life also depends apart from money. Equality of life also depends on non-material things, children. There are so many things that are not easily measured, but they mean a lot for our lives. For example, we discuss love, affection, equal treatment. All these things matter a lot into a person's life, children. For example, if you get a job in a far off a place, so would you be just expecting money? No, you would be expecting equal treatment, you would be expecting cultural development. So you must be having different mind of set, going far to work. Alright, children, you are not just expecting money, you will be expecting fair treatment, equal treatment, love, affection, respect, dignity. All these things, children, you will be expecting when you are going to work at a far distant place. Alright, So, similarly, for development, people look at a mix of goals, not just one goal. People look at different mixed set of goals. If women are engaged in paid work, their dignity in the household and society increases. When they are working, their dignity also increases because they are working and they are taking care of the houses as well, children. Now there would be more of sharing of household work, and with a greater acceptance, because a lady when steps out of the house, that lady gets more affection, gets more respect for getting work done at apart from the house and maintaining the household chores also, children. So she gets lot of attention and she is getting lot of acceptance in the society, but it is not compulsory everywhere. That woman can get lot of criticism also. Then her developmental goal will be affection, love, equality, respect, right? Children, for today's class, I would like to stop here so that I should give you time to know what the chapter talks about further. Right now, you just need to focus what development is, read the chapter ahead, and in the next class, I'm going to start with how to compare different countries or states. So, thank you so much, children. Just go through the attachment which I am giving for your notes, and please read the chapter carefully. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day, children.